Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a Bluetooth FM transmitter that also works as a charger as well. And you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand that's under the Anker brand as well. And you can see throughout the product they do provide some specs and features about the product. So pretty much the product works as an FM transmitter, so that way you guys don't have to plug it in the aux option. The product also has a USB option and a USB-C option that has the Power IQ 3.0 technology, which is really well known for Anker products to give you guys like the fastest charging speed and safest charging speed as well. And also for the product, it does have the power delivery option to give you guys a fast charging speed when you guys do use it. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that it does have a built-in microphone, so that way if you guys will make calls on here, you guys can definitely do that as well. So first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So right here they do provide us a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right underneath that, you can see we do have the actual product. So let's do take it out. Let's take off the wrapper. Once you guys do take out the product, here is basically what the product looks like. So obviously this side right here is where you can plug into the car outlet. And then right here is basically what the front part looks like. So here we do have the mic. Here we do have the USB option. And here we do have a USB-C option. On the bottom you see we do have a phone call option that you can use to answer or reject a call. Here we do have a forward and backward button that you can use to skip the song or go back to the previous song. I'm assuming for the call button also works as a play and pause button, which we'll find out in a second. And on the side right here, we do have a power button, and then we do have a CH button. That I'm assuming is the button for you to change the different channels or something. And then for the other side right here, you see we do have like an aux option if you guys don't plug in an aux cable. And you can see for the back right here, they do probably got some specs and feature about the product in terms of input and output when you guys do use it. And for the product they mentioned when you guys do use it, it does have a built-in technology that's called an automatic frequency finder. And basically with that technology, it will help you guys connect it onto the FM radio station really easily when you guys do connect it. And in terms of the built-in microphone on here, they mentioned how the microphone it does have the noise cancellation option. So that way when you guys do use it to make calls, it will cancel out the surrounding noise. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just going to test it out to show you guys how well it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product all plugged in. Before we should test out the FM transmitter option, let's plug in some cable to test out, see when it actually works. So let's try the USB-C option first. And the other side I'll plug it onto a phone. So right here I do have my phone. If I do plug it in, you can see it does work. Now I'll try the other USB option as well. Alright, so let's do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does work. So it's currently charging this device and also my phone at the same time. And if you guys want to use the FM transmitter at the same time, you definitely can. Let's try to connect it. So the first thing I do is connect it on Bluetooth, which is right here. Alright, so once you guys are ready to connect it, basically what you're going to do is to press the side for 1 second. And that basically activates the FM mode option. So now we got to change to this channel. Now I can start playing music. So let's press the play button. If you guys turn up the volume. Let me see it does work. If you guys press on this button, that is basically how you guys play and pause the music. If you guys press on these two buttons, that is basically how you guys skip the song and go back to the previous song. And when you guys are playing music on here, you guys can hear there's a little bit of static. If you guys hear that static on here, basically what you're going to do is change a different channel until you guys get the right one that has less static. So let's say for example, if I change it to a different channel. If you guys can hear, this one has less static, but there's still a little bit of static on here. But we see the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. Welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. You can see how easy it is to actually connect it onto the FM radio station compared to when you guys use a Bluetooth receiver. Because sometimes when you guys connect it onto a Bluetooth receiver, it takes some time to connect. Whereas for the FM transmitter, it connects it instantly once you guys do have it connected onto the FM radio station, which is pretty awesome. And on top of that, you can see when we do use a USB option and the USB-C option, it definitely does work. and it does give you guys a fast charging speed, which is pretty awesome. And basically who benefits the most out of the FM transmitter is for people who don't have like Bluetooth built into your car. So for those guys who are driving like older cars where it doesn't have the Bluetooth option built in, that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. But for those guys who already have like the Bluetooth option built in, it probably won't be as handy for you guys. But at least you still have like the built-in microphone to make calls, and you still have like the fast charging USB option and the USB-C option if you guys want to charge your devices. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality FM transmitter that also work as a charger as well, and give you guys the option to make calls and everything else I mentioned, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.